Hello, this is Alejandro Curado, the president of AELFE, the European Association of Languages for Specific Purposes. This is a brief presentation of the association. I'm going to talk about the main points in the association, the entitlements for the members, the different events that the association has every year, the association's research award, and then some other information that may be of interest for potential members. So AELFE began as a Spanish association of languages for specific purposes in 1992. So this year we are 29 years old. We have held different conferences every year. The first set of conferences were called Luso Hispano because they were held as a joint effort between Portugal and Spain. Then in 2001, we became the European Association of Languages for Specific Purposes. Since then, we have had many different conferences and events in the association. We are a group of L.S.P teachers and researchers across Europe. We have different types of networked relationships to discuss, present, or and publish our work in languages for specific purposes. So this is a stimulus for teaching and research. We thus have different challenges and prospects in LSP within the European framework. We have become more international throughout the years. We also have the journal Iberica. It is an international peer-reviewed journal, and nowadays it is highly ranked at the first quartile. The AELFE conference is held every year since 2002. Many different cities and locations have held this conference. We celebrated the 25th anniversary of AELFE in Merida in 2017. These are the different titles that some conferences had. So as you can see, the thematic thread is professional and academic communication and international or globalization challenges. The network is very well connected to other conferences and associations. For example, in France, we have the GERAS Association of ESP and also GERES, the Association of Spanish for Specific Purposes. And in Croatia and Slovenia, we have associations of L.S.P for higher education, and we also have connections with the association, the L.S.P Association in Asia, which mainly celebrates the conferences in Hong Kong. There are different panels for the conferences in AELFE. There are five of them, as you can see, dealing with different methodological aspects in LSP from different angles. We also have electronic proceedings after the conferences. For example, in EPIC, we have an electronic volume. We also have books after the conferences For example, these two were published after the 2016 and 2018 conferences. The different international plenary speakers that have come to AELFE, some of them are also in the International Committee for the Iberica Journal, for example, John Swales, John Flowerdew, Mike Scott, etc. In terms of the research award, we celebrate this award every 2 years in memory of Enrique Alcaraz, who was a pioneering L.S.P. researcher in L.S.P., especially in the area of specialized terminology and translation. There are currently two different versions for the award: a published works category and an unpublished works category. And we have winners every 2 years, usually only one, but in one case we had two winners because they had the same scores, which are given by anonymous evaluators, international evaluators. If you become a member, then you are entitled to be a part of this network across Europe. You can pay as an individual member or as an institutional member in the case of those people who have connections with other AELFE related associations. You can be informed about AELFE related activities with access to different types of information about events, activities, etc. You can take part in AELFE's annual meetings. The annual General Assembly usually takes place at the end of each year's conference. So there we can vote and be eligible for different posts in the conference and journal positions. You can also attend an annual conference at this member's rate. You can also be eligible for panel coordination in those 5 thematic areas. You can also receive and have priority review for the submission in Iberica. It is currently at the Q1 quartile 1 level and has renewed the Certificate of Excellence by the Scientific Foundation of Spain for quality journals. You can also be eligible to participate in the Enrique Alcaraz Research Award. If you want to check more information about AELFE, you can go to AELFE's website and also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, etc., where we have social media relations and connections. Also, the journal is also listed in this media. You can access information by writing to us and also ask any pertinent queries about AELFE and L.S.P. And in terms of platforms and websites, we are in the process of changing or moving to an OJS platform, an open access level platform where we would have a different link, but it would be more updated with current cross-ref and DOI issues. And this is all. Thank you very much. I hope you can come and see us and you can enjoy this association as much as we do.